with your headphones on, didn't care that everyone was watching you moving to the beat, cause it's swerving in the street just to get a glimpse of you.
Guys, may deep flower arrangement for our girls.
Stay regular, give me some of that. Tell me what's up, run it up. Stay regular, give me some of that. Hey, you looking at me, looking at you.
Good afternoon and good night. Hi! Ano ba yung isang birthday celebrant? Hi! Hello!
Cause that's what you need. I can love for love. I'm here for your love. This is a stick up. Hop at the top, la 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 la. Baby, you want.
Pero video yan ang.
Happy birthday, guys.
HPD po! Try ko mong dito. Okay lang. Na ano ako eh. Conscious ako be. Eme.
Maliit yung cup, no?
Actually hindi ako lang siya.
Anyway. Wow! Perfect!
Natin yung gawa ni Ate Chels. Hindi, gawa pala ni Madjo. Ito, nagpaturo lang siya.
Try.
Hindi, ganito yung gusto ko. Ganito yung gusto ko.
Milk
Wala siyang ano.
Perfect to, Ate Chels. Para sa akin, ha?
Parang
Parang
sa SD
barista.
lang, no? Oo.
Pati ka nga!
Parang sa SD lang, no?
Parang barista eh.
Good morning! Happy Monday! So, today is a fresh start of the week. Actually, kanina pang mga 5 a.m. nag-start yung day ko. But, ngayon ko lang naalalang mag-vlog. And right now, break ko from work. Yun, I've decided to plan out my week. Kasi yun yung goal ko na every Monday, nagsiset ako ng to-do list for the week. So, actually, I have 3 planners. So, I know it's a lot, pero lahat yan nagkagamit ko. So, meron ako monthly spread. So, ang ginagawa ko is, I know medyo ano siya, repetitive ganun, pero I like doing it kasi. So, tinitingnan ko muna yung yung sa monthly spread for this week. Isusulat ko siya ulit dito sa weekly spread ko. Ayan. So, kasi ito na yung tinitingnan ko palagi hindi na yung monthly spread. And yung monthly spread, ginagawa ko siya every either first day of the month or last week of the previous month. So, yun. Nira-write down ko lang din. And then, sinusulat ko din sa weekly yung mga deadline ko for work o kaya yung mga household chores ko na gagawin for this week. So, gusto ko kasing naka-spread out throughout the week yung household task ko. For example, meron akong laba day, meron akong cleaning the whole house day, declutter day, ganyan. So, ayoko siyang ginagawang isang day lang. Gusto ko, meron akong ginagawa every day kasi that's how I feel accomplished and productive. Dito naman, meron ding spread sa isang page, meron dito yung habit skills, personal to-do list, main goal, ganyan. Sinusuot ko lang sa habit skills, no Grab. So, dinilit ko yung Grab app ko kasi yun yung highest spending app ko. Tama ba yung term ko? Pero yun. So, yung run, gym. So, tinatrack ko kung anong day ako nag-run at nag-gym. And then, no Shopee checkouts. Medyo hindi ko siya na-track ng maayos. Pero yan, kapag naging successful ako by the end of the day, tinitake off ko siya. And then, make breakfast or coffee. So, yun lang namang 5 yung nilalagay ko dun sa habits or skills na gusto kong ma-achieve. And then, second one, I have yung budget planner. So, actually, ito din, same thing with my monthly spread. Ginagawa ko siya first day of the week or last week of the previous month. Itong pangatlong notebook is actually, hindi siya planner pala. Regular notebook lang siya ng mga notes ko, ganon. Like, really late na to do yung vision board. Pero kasi, gusto ko pa rin siyang gawin. Hopefully this week, lalagay ko dyan sa to-do list ko, ay matapos ko na yung vision board ko. So, dito ko na lang din lalagay sa regular notebook ko. Yan. So, dito din nilalagay yung mga, for example, palengke list,
Looking
ganun.
at me, APP on CNIC, want that cream, yeah, give me that heat. Tryna see if it's sick for a hit, let me get it. Not in it for a quick leg. Remind me them kisses, turn me down, cuff me up, yup, make me your missus. Give me that, backing it up like a truck, wanna snatch it up and pack it up. Got the stamina to catch it, I'ma take you out. When I shake it down, caught red-handed like a bandit. Now cash it out. Got the top, la 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 la. Baby, you want it, you know I want it. So you some on it, boom chocolate, yeah. Give me all you got, don't stop.
I was gonna wear your hat, did not fit me.
I have a brown one that matches your jacket a little better. Sinuot ko. Doon pa kami yung TikTok. And then, yung bumalik na ako ng iba. Kasi iba lang.
I'm done, you miss me, no doubt.
Sa Balon. Nasa West Point
Mas
ng buhay.
nakikita na yun.
I give good instructions. Everywhere wants this. If you really wanna please me, baby, it ain't easy. I'ma keep you working. Handle it with care, use a little muscle. Can you take direction? If I instruct you, if we get loud, it's alright. I don't care if the neighbors here tonight. So you know what I need from you.
Ha? Ayaw mo kumatawa?
Ganda yung boses nila eh.
Nakakatawa dyan.
Nagawa natin pag umaalis tayo.
Napanood natin mabibis.
Share ko lang yung plate na nabili ko from Flying Tiger. So, gagawin ko siyang bowl for keys and jewelry na laging ginagamit. So, for example, yan. And then, iiwan ko lang siya dito sa may TV stand. Jewelry holder from Flying Tiger as well. So, Meron naman akong jewelry organizer sa taas. Pero kasi gusto ko ng jewelry organizer sa desk ko. Kasi ito yung mga halos everyday kong ginagamit. So, may watch, tsaka yung go-to earrings ko, tsaka yung wedding ring. So, para easy grab lang before umalis. Gusto ko may something dito. And also serves as decor dito sa aking desk. Elton? Elton, kamusta naman ang ride mo?
Wow!
Wow!
Pogi niyan eh. Sanay na siya nag-ride.
Sanay na siya mag-travel. Elton,
Mm.
guwapo? I will love you faithfully forever, all of my life. Thank you, Chelsea. Okay, let's unbox. Unbox! Wow! I like it! Yes! Ang cute naman ang ano na to. Ay, my mirror roller. Wow! Hindi yan na to. Saan mo nakakuha?
Yan? Kahirapan. Grabe! Ang idea. Ano lang, nagnakaw lang ako ng flowers.
Flowers!
Pero yes.
Mga stars?
Yan, ceramics na yun.
Ano?
Add as much charms as you want.